Why it takes courage to grow up and become who you really are. Growing up and becoming who you really are is a journey that requires immense courage. This path is fraught with challenges, uncertainties, and the need to confront various external and internal pressures. It is a transformative process that demands resilience, self-awareness, and bravery to navigate. First and foremost, it takes courage to face societal expectations and norms. From a young age, individuals are often influenced by the opinions and the expectations of others, parents, teachers, peers, and society at large. These external pressures can shape one's beliefs, values, and behaviors, leading to a persona that aligns with what is deemed acceptable. However, this externally shaped identity may not reflect one's true self. Breaking free from these imposed identities requires the courage to stand against the tide of conformity and to embrace one's individuality. Moreover, the journey of self-discovery involves introspection and self-awareness. It requires looking inward to understand one's desires, passions, strengths, and weaknesses. This process can be uncomfortable, as it often involves confronting aspects of oneself that are painful or difficult to accept. Self-awareness demands an honest evaluation of one's life and choices, which can be daunting. It takes courage to face these truths and to accept oneself fully, including the flaws and imperfections. Another significant challenge is the fear of vulnerability. Embracing and expressing one's true self can make one feel exposed and susceptible to judgment, rejection, or misunderstanding. The fear of vulnerability can be a powerful deterrent, leading individuals to hide behind masks or adopt personas that are more socially acceptable. It takes courage to peel away these layers and to reveal one's authentic self, even in the face of potential criticism or rejection. In addition, the journey of becoming who you really are often involves making difficult decisions and changes. It may mean leaving behind certain relationships, environments, or habits that no longer serve one's true self. These decisions can be fraught with uncertainty and fear of the unknown. Change is inherently challenging, and it takes courage to step into the unfamiliar and to trust in the process of growth and transformation. Furthermore, growing up and becoming who you really are requires resilience in the face of setbacks and obstacles. The path of self-discovery is rarely linear or smooth. There will be moments of doubt, failure, and disappointment. It takes courage to persevere through these challenges, to learn from experiences, and to continue striving towards authenticity. Resilience is built through the willingness to confront difficulties and to keep moving forward, even when the journey feels daunting. Additionally, becoming who you really are involves embracing self-acceptance and self-love. It means recognizing and valuing one's unique qualities and contributions. In a world that often promotes unrealistic ideals of perfection, self-acceptance can be a radical and courageous act. It requires letting go of the need for external validation and finding worth and contentment within oneself. Finally, the journey to authenticity is an ongoing process. It's not a destination, but a continuous evolution. It involves staying true to oneself while also being open to growth and change. It takes courage to remain committed to this path, to keep exploring and evolving, and to embrace the fluidity of identity. In conclusion, growing up and becoming who you really are is a courageous journey. It demands confronting societal expectations, embracing self-awareness, facing vulnerability, making difficult changes, building resilience, practicing self-acceptance, and committing to continuous growth. It is a transformative process that leads to a deeper understanding and fulfillment of one's true self. While challenging, the rewards of living authentically and true to oneself are immeasurable.